most important theorists and their terms asked in UGC NET English literature and other exams. The first is carnival. Michael Bhatin uses this term carnival in reference to the carnivals of the Middle Ages and Renaissance. Though he mentions carnival in several of his essays, his most sustained, developed treatment of this concept is found in Rabelais and His World, which was translated in 1968. Second is contact zones. What is this term? A term that stems from the socio-linguistic concept of contact language, and that was popularized by the literary theorist and linguist Mary Louise Pratt in her 1991 article Arts of the Contact Zone. And she has used this term to describe the meeting, negotiation, and sometimes clash of different cultures in a social space. Third important term is double voicedness. And this is a term developed by none other but the great Michael Bhatin in his collection of essays, which is known as The Dialogic Imagination, published in 1975 and translated in 1981. The fourth is ecocentrism, which is a term used by cognitive development psychologist Jean Piaget in his studies of child logic and language use. And the name of that work is The Language and Thought of the Child, originally published in 1926, and The Child's Conception of Space, originally published in 1956. The fifth is heteroglossia. This is a term used by Michael Bhatin, especially in his collection of 4 essays. And the name of those 4 essays collection is The Dialogic Imagination, translated in 1981 to refer to the many voices that influence language. इनमें से कितने फैक्ट्स आपको पहले से पता थे, ये जरूर कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएं, और ऐसे ही फैक्ट्स को जानने के लिए हमें लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें।